In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove the Bing button from Microsoft Edge in Windows 10. The Bing button is a way to access Bing CoPilot AI Assistant. It's a built-in feature. To remove it from Microsoft Edge, first left-click on the search bar on the lower left corner of the screen. Then search Microsoft Edge. Microsoft Edge will appear in the search results. Simply right-click on the search result and click Open File Location. This option will allow you to go to the location of the Microsoft Edge shortcut. Here in the File location, right-click on the Microsoft Edge shortcut. A bunch of options will appear. Simply left-click on the Properties option at the bottom of the dialog box. This will take you to the Microsoft Edge Desktop Application Properties tab. Here, you have a whole lot of information about Microsoft Edge, such as the location of the program, the ability to change its icon, and much more. To remove the Bing logo from Microsoft Edge, here you need to type Disable Features, M says underside button, at the end of the text in the target dialog box. Make sure to type this after putting a space between the old text and the new text you just typed. It should look something like this. Now you simply need to click Continue at the bottom right of the screen to continue, then click OK on the left side of the screen, then restart Microsoft Edge by closing all tabs and reopening the application. The icon should be removed.